Starting 2024 with these new indoor gardening resolutions is going to up your plant growing game and will set a positive tone for the entire year. Number 1. Try growing more vegetables. First up, let's talk veggies. Growing a variety of vegetables indoors like microgreens, basil, chives, parsley, tomatoes, radishes, bell peppers, and spinach allows for year-round cultivation and adds a tasty, vibrant touch to your space. Number 2. Add more color indoors. Next, brighten up your home with colorful foliage. Plants with varied hues can transform your living space into an inviting, aesthetic haven. Number 3. Add different flowers to your collection. 2024 is also about blossoming. Add flowers like peace lily, African violet, and begonia to your indoor collection, each symbolizing unique traits and bringing beauty to your space. Number 4. Add a tree to your indoor plant collection. Why not a tree indoors? Besides being natural air purifiers, indoor trees like fiddle-leaf fig create a calming atmosphere and connect you to nature. Number 5. Try different houseplant combinations. Mix it up with different plant combinations, like monstera with snake plant or pothos with spider plant. These easy care pairs keep your rooms fresh and interesting. Number 6. Start an indoor grow room. Ready for a bigger project? Start an indoor grow room, a dedicated space for herbs and seeds, equipped with grow lights and a mini irrigation system. Offers controlled gardening unaffected by the weather outside. Number 7. Plan your purchases wisely. Be a smart shopper. Research before buying plants and gardening materials. Opt for native plants and support local nurseries to make eco-friendly choices. Number 8. Go organic and reuse. Embrace sustainability by repurposing items like mason jars or teacups for plant growth. It's creative, eco-friendly, and cost-effective. Number 9. Experiment with new plant varieties. Challenge your green thumb by experimenting with new plant varieties. It's great for biodiversity and your gardening skills. Number 10. Keep an indoor garden journal. Document your journey with an indoor garden journal. It's a reflective activity that helps you track growth and tailor care for each plant. Number 11. Try your hand at vertical gardening. Transform small spaces with vertical gardening. It's an elegant solution for limited spaces and adds a unique visual appeal. Number 12. Add plants for teas and aromatherapy. Grow chamomile, mint, rosemary, and lavender for a healthy cup of tea and aromatherapy benefits right from your windowsill. Number 13. Create an indoor plant sanctuary. Create your own plant sanctuary. Combine different plants like ferns, philodendrons, and rubber trees to create a serene space. Number 14. Relax in a cozy plant room. Design a plant room for relaxation. Combine pastel colors, textures, and various plant species for a soothing experience. Number 15. Get a plant tattoo. And why not celebrate your love for plants with a tattoo? A fun and permanent way to show your dedication to greenery. Ready to make 2024 your greenest year yet? Try these resolutions and watch your indoor garden thrive. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share your progress with us. Until next time, happy gardening!